Good morning, YouTube. It's Scott Dunnage Garage. We are on our next adventure at the Niobrara State Park in Nebraska. Stay tuned. I have found some time for a fall camping trip. Not wanting to go far, I found this amazing state park located on the northern border of Nebraska. The trip started with a 2.5-hour drive through some of Nebraska's beautiful landscape. The park is located just off a highway, but it is relatively quiet. Niobrara is a 1,260-acre park located 1 mile from the town of Niobrara. The park is bordered by the Missouri and Niobrara rivers. It offers cabins, tent, and RV camping. It offers many experiences for all members of the family, from swimming, hiking, horseback trail rides, fishing, picnicking, and just a relaxing time with nature. For those of you interested in a more secluded tent site, they are spread out through the park, mostly on a 3-mile driving trail. There are some Adirondack hike-in style backpack camp spots too. And if you have horses, they're welcome at the primitive equestrian group campsites as well. If I ever needed a place in Nebraska to pitch a tent on a state campground, it's going to be Site 7 here at Niobrara State Park. This is absolutely beautiful. Well, I elected to stay at one of the 76 electrical RV sites that was about 100 yards from a very clean bathroom and shower facility. Now time for some dinner and head to bed. Well, it is a brisk morning. We have some plans. I'm glad you're here to enjoy it with me. Had some problems last night with the camper, mainly with the weather. Again, it's cold. It's about 30 degrees, and I don't know if I froze my sink or not. I'm kind of nervous to run it. Let's find out. Well, that's a good sign. So I guess that's taken care of. The other issue we had is it got cold in the camper. Cold enough that I couldn't get back to sleep about 5, so I ran into Walmart, which is about a 40-minute drive, and picked up a couple space heaters to give them a try. One failed, one's working, I think. We'll find out. I'll keep you in the loop. Let's get back to making some breakfast. If fishing is your interest, walleye, sauger, smallmouth bass, catfish, and northern pike are the local species found in the Missouri River. There is also a small lake that offers bass, bluegill, and catfish on the site. Please contact the park for more information on regulations and on the boat ramps. The park offers 19 cabins located on a bluff. About half of the cabins boast beautiful views of the river. The others offer views of the hills and trees. In fact, very close to cabin 1, a mosasaur fossil was found here in 1986. Think 33 feet long with paddle fins, a large head, and 3 to 4 inch teeth. All that remains of the excavation site is a sign next to the road. The fossils have been long since removed and rehomed to the University of Nebraska at Lincoln for display. All right, let's go on a little bit of a hike. As for me, I'm here to explore some of the park's 14 miles of hiking. One of the trails offers mountain biking or cross-country skiing, but it's not cold enough for the skiing, and that's not something I'm interested in. And it's a little too chilly for me to go on that hike, so I'll wait for warmer weather for that. While I'm enjoying the hike, let's talk about some of the nearby attractions. Remember the mosasaur? Well, about 32 miles south of the park is the Ashfall Fossil Beds. During the summer, you can enter the 17,500 square foot covered archaeological dig site and watch paleontologists unearth our distant history. If, however, you are more interested in living things, you can tour the Grove Trout Rearing Station or head to the Brazil Creek and Niobrara Confluence wildlife management areas for wildlife viewing, fishing, and hunting. like to thank you all for coming along with my Niobrara adventure. Stick around for the next one, which will be in Foss Lake, Oklahoma. Until then, remember, life's an adventure. Go live it. Have yourself a blessed day. And if you're a supporter of the channel, thank you very much. We appreciate you.